Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can chat with your Etsy support. Keep watching the video till the end. To chat with your Etsy support, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in etsy.com and make a search. The official page of Etsy's account will appear on the screen. Log into your Etsy's account and the home page of Etsy's account will appear on the page. Click on profile icon at the top right corner of the page and from the drop down tap on account settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on help center. On the next page, scroll down and click on contact Etsy support option. Choose an option on what you need help with to chat with Etsy support and tap on it. You can enter a subject and description as well as other details and click on send. You will get a reply in some time. This is how you can chat with Etsy support quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.